Are you an immigrant parents na lagi lang someday ang pangarap pero hindi pa rin dumarating? Working multiple jobs pero wala pa rin time sa pamilya? Nangarap ka na magandang buhay para sa pamilya mo? Makapag-travel, makasama sila ng mas matagal? No, laging someday kasi ang daming responsibilidad sa buhay? I get it. Ganyan din ako dati. Hi there! I'm Gretchen. Na ako karon sa Seattle, Washington, but originally from Pagadian City, Philippines. So hello sa tanang mga Bisaya diha. Pagdating ko dito sa USA, sobrang saya ko. Ang sabi ko, finally, the land of opportunity. Pero hindi pala ganun kadali. I work multiple jobs sa healthcare industry as medical claims processor. By day, retail cashier naman. By night, yes, I was earning dollars, pero dollars din ang gastos. Reality, it's hard. Pinakamasakit, halos nawalan ako ng time sa pamilya ko. At kahit anong kayod, kulang pa rin pang bayad ng bills every month. One day, I prayed so hard. Sabi ko, Lord, gusto ko lang naman na may quality time sa pamilya ko without sacrificing my needs. Then one day, may nakita akong isang just like what you're watching right now. Isang Pilipina from Texas, just like me, working multiple jobs. Walang time sa pamilya, pero after 2 years of doing this business, nabago ang buhay niya. So I got curious. I reached out to her. She told me to watch the prayer info to see if this aligned with my interests. And after watching, doon ko talaga na-realize na ang dami na palang taong tulad natin, simple moms, staying home mom, ordinary people na nabago ang buhay. And I said to myself, pwede pala, kaya ko rin to. So I said, yes, nag-join ako sa business. Fast forward to today, 3 years na ako sa business. Nakapag-travel na ako with my family. We have been exploring Europe. We visited different places. Nakakatulong na ako sa pamilya ko sa Pilipinas. Nakapagawa ko na ang bahay ko. I have a new roof, new insulation, worth 20K, paid by my online business, and earning 4 to 5 figures every month. And most importantly, I now have a quality time for my family while earning from home or kahit nagta-travel ako. At here is the kicker, wala tayong direct selling dito. Hindi po tayo nagbibinta dito. No holding inventory, walang quota, and no begging friends and family to join the business. And I'm helping now other moms to do the same. So, if you're looking for an extra income, something that you can do from home or kahit nagta-travel ka, this might be what you've been praying for. Kailangan mo lang maging willing to learn and grow, be coachable, and a God-fearing person. So, if that's you, click the message below. I'll send you the same video that I changed my life and thousands of lives in the community. Thank you so much for watching, kabayan. See you in the inside. Bye for now.